Greetings, it's MaxoDiddly, and today I am going to be showing you how to get user input in Java. So let's get right into it. So, at the top of your code, we need to do import java.util.scanner. This is going to give us access to the scanner class, which is going to allow us to get user input. So, in your main method, which is going to be this method here, which is public static void main string square brackets args, we're going to do scanner equals new scanner system.in. So, we are going to be creating a scanner object, and this scanner object is basically going to be what allows us to get user input from the user. After, we are going to do system.out.println, enter your name. So we're going to print a message to the console asking the user for their name. Then we're going to do string name equals scanner.nextLine. So we're going to be creating a variable, and a variable can just store values. And before the variable name, we have a variable type. In this case, it's going to be a string. So this name variable is going to store a string. And scanner.nextLine is basically going to store whatever we type up until we hit the enter key. And it will put whatever we've typed into this string variable. After that, we can then do system.out.println. We can then do a thanks in our speech marks. Then we do a plus. Then we do name. And this will print out thanks followed by whatever you typed as the name. However, what if we also want to get the age of the user? Well, we can do that. So what we're going to do is we're going to do system.out.println name plus enter your age. Notice we'll put a space here, so there's a space between the name and the text saying enter your age. And like with our name, we're going to have a variable and we'll call it age. It's going to be a type int as opposed to a string because ages are typically numbers. And then we're going to do scanner.nextInt. So as opposed to nextLine, we're going to do nextInt, which functions exactly the same, except from the fact that it's expecting an integer as opposed to any characters. We are then going to do a little bit of code here. We're going to do if age double equals 69. So we're going to be checking the value of what the user inputted, because when we enter our number, it's going to be stored in the age variable. And we're going to check if the age is 69. We can do so by doing double equals 69. If the age is equal to 69, we do system.out.println nice, because that's a nice age. It's a nice number. If the age is not 69, whatever is in the else statement will be executed. So what we will do is we will do system.out.println you are plus age plus years old. We're just going to print out the age of the user. So that's it for this tutorial. Let's save our work and then hit play. So down here is the console. It's asking us to enter our name. Let's type Max and then hit enter. So it says thanks Max. Max, enter your age. We'll do 69 because I'm clearly 69 years old. And it says nice. Let's try it again. Let's do MaxoDiddly. Thanks MaxoDiddly, enter your age. Now we're going to do 420. You are 420 years old! And that's it for this tutorial, so be sure to leave a like and a comment if you enjoyed, and subscribe for more Java tutorials. Thanks for watching.